Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa and today I have a very small tiny little haul. This is NYKAA haul. They are having their Navratri sale. So I just got myself some products here that I'm going to share with you guys. This haul is going to be very small, very tiny because I don't have a lot of products here. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is a compact. This is from NYKAA Cosmetics. I have never used NYKAA's products before, so I was very excited to try this. This is their all day matte compact powder with SPF 15 and with 12 hours oil absorption. It is in the shade Vanilla O2. So yeah, the packaging is quite nice, very basic kind of packaging. It looks kind of nice. And it comes with like a applicator and has a mirror, and the shade is, I think it will be a bit lighter for me, but it's okay, I will make it work. Yeah, it is a bit lighter for me, but let's see. This is retailing for how much? This is retailing for 225 rupees. Next I have a Kajal from NYKAA. This is in Black Magic Kajal, 24 hours long stay, and it is retailing for 170 rupees. Intense black. I do really like a good Kajal. Let's just try it on. You have to twist it to get your products out. It is very basic. You get all kind of like Kajal like this only. I like that, like this way. So let me just apply it and show you how intense it is going to look on me. Wow, it goes very nice on my waterline and there is no burning sensation to it, and it looks quite matte. It is very creamy in texture and very nice, glides very easily. Let's see. See, quite nice, quite black. It glides out very smoothly onto my waterline, and I am sure it will be very nice on my as my liner as well. So this is a very nice purchase, and at the price point it is only 170 rupees, so I do really like it. Now I have a bunch of lipstick, you guys. I have got so many lipsticks. These are all very affordable and they are not extremely pricey. Very nice lipsticks. So the first lipstick that I have got is from NYKAA. This is in the shade Pep Talk. This is a very nice lipstick. It is retailing for, let me check. Yeah, this is retailing for 229 rupees. I actually bought this lipstick, this Kajal and this compact as a combo pack, and it was retailing for somewhere around 375 rupees. All these products are way more worth than 375 rupees. This one alone is retailing for 300 rupees, and this one I said 225 rupees. This one's 170 rupees, and the combo set is only 375 rupees. So this is a must have, you know. Next I have a new lipstick that I have never tried before. This is from Swiss Beauty, and the packaging is very cute, you guys. And this one reminds me of the Huda cosmetic lipstick. If you have seen it, I am sure you have seen it, and it looks exactly like this. This looks like a copycat, but quality of this packaging is not so great. The cap is extremely loose. It doesn't click and it does not stay in place, and but the lipstick is extremely beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. This looks so good, and the shade is my favorite because it is what, First Love 13. Yeah, this one is retailing for 299 rupees, and it is in the shade First Love, and this looks extremely beautiful. and I do really like. Next I have is Maybelline lipstick. I love this lipstick. I have like 4 to 5 shades of this particular lipstick. I love this one, and look at this. Oh wow, this looks extremely beautiful, guys, very beautiful. And this one is in the shade 671 heated pink, and this is a creamy matte lipstick. This is retailing for 300 rupees, but again there was a lot of discount going on, and I purchased this for around 150 rupees. I don't remember, but this is a must have. This is a very affordable and very good quality lipstick. With this lipstick I got 2 shades of trial size foundation, Fit Me foundation. I have a foundation of this Fit Me poreless matte liquid foundation in the shade 130, I guess. This one is quite lighter for me, and this one is quite dark for me, so the mix of this two will, I think, will work for me. Again I have a lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick from Makeup Revolution, and this is in the shade Fling 125, and this one is retailing for 695 rupees, but again there is a good discount going on, and I got it for 550 or 500, I don't remember. And the shade is a perfect shade for me. I never tried the shade before. I never thought that this would actually look good on me. The applicator looks very nice, and the quality of this liquid lipstick is very nice, you guys. Next I have is a tiny little mini lipstick. Again lipstick, sorry. I got a lot of lipsticks this time. Tiny little lipstick from Just Herbs. This one is actually talked about a lot, and people seem to love it, so I decided to try this one. The regular size of this is retailing for somewhere around 650 to 700 rupees, and this is the mini size. This is 1.8 grams lipstick. This is retailing for 495 rupees, and I did not get much of discount on this. The quality of this lipstick is just okay kind of thing, and I feel like this is kind of overpriced. The price of this is not justified at all. It glides on very smooth on my lips, and the quantity of this is also quite decent. This is in the shade Peachy Coral, and I do really like this shade. This is very nice shade for me. It dries down not exactly matte, but not creamy as well. It dries down semi matte, I will say. Next I have again a lip balm. This lip balm is from Badi Herbals, and this is absolutely an amazing lip balm. If you have never tried this lip balm, I am telling you guys, try this one once, you will never go back. I buy this lip balm regularly every 2 months. This tub lasts me 2 months. I apply a good thick layer of this lip balm every night on my lips, and this one will make my lips extremely soft and moisturized, and the hydration that it provides will last the whole day. You don't have to apply any more lip balm throughout the day, and it smells so good. This one is a 10 gram tub, retailing for 69 rupees, and this is in the flavor strawberry, and this one is amazing. Try this one once, I'm telling you. Anyways guys, this was it, my tiny little small NYKAA haul, Navratri sale. I hope you liked all my products, all the stuff that I bought. I know this is not much, and I got a lot of lipsticks, but I love lipsticks. What else can I do? I just can't stop with one. That's my weakness. I love lipstick. Anyways, I hope you liked my haul today and you liked my product. Give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. I will be back next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.